Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Authenticator MFA on a new phone step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Google Authenticator app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your new phone. If this is your first time using the app, tap on the Get Started button to move to the next step. Now, you will need to set up your accounts. If you are transferring from an old phone, open the Google Authenticator app on that phone. In the old app, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Transfer Accounts from the menu options. Then, choose Export Accounts to create a QR code for your accounts. You may need to verify your identity using your password or another method. Once verified, you'll see a list of the accounts linked to your Google Authenticator. Select the accounts you want to transfer to your new phone. After selecting the accounts, tap Next to generate the QR code. Now, return to your new phone and in the Google Authenticator app, tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Choose Scan a QR code from the menu. Point the camera at the QR code displayed on your old phone. The app will automatically scan the code and add your accounts. You will see a list of all your accounts in the new app. Make sure to test each account to ensure they work correctly. For each account, log in on a website where you have MFA enabled. When prompted for the verification code, open the Google Authenticator on your new phone. Use the code displayed next to each account to complete your login. If the codes work, your accounts are successfully set up. If you encounter any issues, double-check that you scanned the QR code correctly. Once everything is working properly, you can remove the app from your old phone. Now your Google Authenticator is set up and ready to use on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.